Hey guys, we're going to review numbers 1 through 5. Number 1, start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. Here is one finger, the word one, O-N-E, one block, one dot on a die, and one dot in a tens frame. Start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. This is the number 2. Make a candy cane. Give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. Here are 2 fingers. This is the word two, T-W-O. 2 peppers, 2 dominoes, or 2 dots on a die. I'm sorry. 1, 2, and then 2 dots in a tens frame. 1, 2. This is the number 3. Around and around just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. 3 dots in a tens frame. 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then 3 dots on a die. 1, 2, 3. The number 4. Down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. 4 dots in a tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 4 on your 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 dots on a die. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. Let's count 5 dots in a tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count these singing flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers is one whole hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 dots on a die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, guys.